Are you looking for a stunning lakefront home that also offers a fantastic concrete dock as well? Well, look no further. This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Today we're on the 5-mile marker. This is 30847 Rustic Road in Rocky Mount. Thanks for watching the video of this truly spectacular home. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or go to jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.